Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Carrie, and this is Clean Eating Kitchen, where I share easy gluten-free and dairy-free recipes and tips. Are you looking for the easiest foods that you can make in your Instapot pressure cooker? Today I have a selection of vegan, gluten-free, and paleo-friendly items that are all pantry staples that you need to be cooking in your Instapot. Steel-cut oats are one of the easiest foods you can make in your pressure cooker. They only require 4 minutes to cook, and I'll link to one of my favorite recipes in the description below. You can also make lentil soup really easily in a pressure cooker. I just like to add a bunch of vegetables and broth and lentils and cook it for about 15 minutes on high pressure. Having organic diced or chopped tomatoes on hand is really great too for pressure cooking. It just adds a lot of richness to chilies or soups or whatever kind of savory dish you want to make. Next, I always have organic vegetable, chicken, or beef broth on hand, and I like to choose a lower or reduced sodium versions. This is a great way to add the liquid to any of your pressure cooker recipes. And making rice in the pressure cooker is one of my favorite easy side dishes. I actually threw out my rice cooker once I realized how easy it is to cook rice in a pressure cooker, and it's super fluffy and delicious and so easy. And I will link to my coconut berry chia seed breakfast recipe, but it's so easy and it's another one of my favorite recipes to make in the Instapot. And you can actually make pasta dishes in a pressure cooker as well. It's best to follow a recipe, but you're not gonna believe how easy it is, and they make delicious, healthy weeknight meals. I like these brown rice pastas from Tinkyada. I think that's how you say the name of this company, but it's my favorite. And we can't forget good old-fashioned rolled oats. I really like this sprouted version from Pure Living that I get at PCOS. And rolled oats can be cooked in the Instapot in like 1 minute. And speaking of easy, quinoa cooked in the Instapot takes all of 1 minute. I like to get this organic version from PCOS, and you do just need to give it a rinse before you add it to your pressure cooker. But quinoa is a great source of plant-based protein. One serving has 6 grams. It's just a really great food to always have on hand. Whether you're new to Instapot cooking or you are really good at using your Instapot, I hope that you found some great ideas from this video. And be sure to check out my video that I've linked up somewhere around here that shows you exactly how easy it is to use the Instapot. See you in the next video.